Hey everyone, this is Don with Forex Secrets Unleashed, and in this video I am going to show you around the newly renamed Vibrata. This is the IML web analyzer repackaged into its new name. So let's see how some of the things have changed and how a lot of the things are still the same. So when you first log into Vibrata, this is the screen that you're going to see. You will notice over on the left-hand side, you have all of the other IM products. Right above that, you have a light bulb, you have a messaging icon, and then you have a building, which I believe is the news icon. We'll get to that in a second. You'll notice up at the top, you have your strategies drop down. So if you click on it, you'll see all of the strategies that are there that you can pick from. When you hover over the power trades, you will see all of the power trades that are available to you. When you click training, these are some training products that Stephen Hooley has put out. And when you click products, again, you see all of the other IM products that are available. So let's first start with the basics of picking a strategy. We're going to come back over here, click on strategies. I'm going to click on the ECC11. Now the first thing you'll notice is over on the right hand side is where the alerts are showing up. So you'll want to keep your eye over there for things to pop up. You'll also notice at the bottom, you'll see which session that you're in. Now, just like with the old web analyzer, you still have to come in and change your settings to match what is in use for the particular strategy. 613, 36, 2013. Make sure you save as default as well. We would need to change the colors around for this strategy, but that's not the point of this video. So you have everything here that you can see. Now, just like with the other web analyzer, you can turn on or off different times that you do or do not want to see. I will say right now they are in a period of transition, so they may or may not disappear for you automatically. Now, up here at the top is where you can switch between Forex, crypto, metals, and indexes. So that has moved up to the top right in this alert panel. Your pause and your play are right up here ready to go. In fact, you may have to actually refresh to get those to show up again. Looks like there might be a hitch there. So that's it for the strategy. Trade ideas. So if you click this light bulb, you're going to see trade ideas show up on the far right side. And you will see the trade ideas are listed here. Who is putting out the trade? Randy, BYOB Cash Out, Andre, Lee. There should be a Boyd Pips in here. Andre. Okay, looks like the Boyd Pips is cycled off. No sweat. There'll be another one. But they're all there for you to see. The last thing we're going to look at are the power trades. So if you click on London Payout, you're going to be taken over to this side over here. And you'll notice on the right-hand side, here are all the calls. You'll notice that inside, the green is a buy, okay? Because everything here is buy, market, sell, etc. But if you'll notice, the actual numbers of where to purchase, where to put your targets, your stop losses, etc., all of those are listed on the chart for you. So that is a quick overview of Vibrata and how things are laid out. If you click on that back, it'll bring you back to here. And again, you just choose your strategy that you want, click on it, and it's going to bring you in and let you, pick everything and take off from there. So it's still about the same, but a lot of things have just changed as to where they're at. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and share it with others who may need help getting around Vibrata as well. If you're not a member of IM, please go ahead and contact me. The link is in the comments. Have a great day.